Number 28, that's good. Easy 2 points, but there's number 29.
Panalo na para sila.
Delia. Pass to Karamat. Pass to Busto. Busto. Pass to Karamat. Pass to 10 seconds to shoot. Biaran. Easy, 2 points. Play jersey number 4. 45 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. 35 seconds. Rimbe. De los Santos. Pass to Karamat. Karamat. That's good. Pass free play by team Messian. Last 23 seconds. Number 9. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Wala na po ba? Break. Sekarang ke play. Pass complete. Complete. Not good. Terima kasih Jubil. Jubil. Pass to Busto. Busto. Jumper. That's good. Break. Pass to Lisa. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Floater. Not good. Terima kasih Busto. Number 9. Busto, looking for the fast break play with Busto. Still by Dalisay. Dalisay. Pass to Justin Brownlee. Justin Brownlee, that's good. Marunongin, Justin Brownlee. Busto. Starting the play. Pass to number 14, losing the ball. Kalya owns the ball. Boy, score ko boy. 16-10 in favor of SIN. Matatamila lagi. Number 8, starting the play. Pass to Los Santos. De Los Santos, membuka tres. Number 3 pemain Tubil. Tubil lakukan the pass for play by Tubil. Tubil losing the ball, still by number 9. Number 9, nagmamadali. Number 9, lumay. Save ball. 14 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds to shoot. Kalisa, pass to Poblete. Poblete, fix. Poblete, floater. Number 9. Number 9, De Los Santos, foul. Foul. 14. Jersey number 14. That's the first personal foul.
Lan! Gabi ko ni Marito yan.
Setak, okay.
Sabi mata, setak.
Karena that's the kan. Tubil nak kawan ada. Lusi tempat ke Tubil. Tubil. Pass number 22. Pass number 9. Busto. Dribble the ball. Sumay step Lumay up short. River by Poblete. Poblete looking the pass for play. Poblete. Now drive down. Substitution. Par-par ni.
Berno, ini yung Berno. Si Alam Gurin, di ba? Isang finali sa Berno. No? Ano to? Interpol. Ah, intercolor to.
Number 9, Busto. Pass to number 14. Back to Busto. Busto. 10 seconds to shoot. Fade away shot. That's good. Maramu by jersey number 22.
Dan. Tarong nga. Tiyak
It's
sa'yo man.
gone. 18-12. 8-12. Team Isayan. Starting to play. Pass to Lisa. Pass to Biaron. Biaron jumper. That's good. Gusto. Pass to number 14. Goal on jersey number 1. Dalisa. Apelido, number 14, starting the play. Pass to number 22, long to Nago, terima Biaron, nagmamadali. Looking at the pass for play, Biaron, layup, Nago, terima by Gusto, losing the ball, Kali on the ball. Number 8, pass to number 9. Number 9, starting the play. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 9, pass to Dalisa. Attacks, layup, not good. Never back to Bill. Pass to Gusto, starting the play. Pass to number 14, Apelido, using the ball, that's good. Los Santos. Pass to number 16, Biaron. That's foul call on jersey number 18. Timeout team SIN.
Tarong nga lan. Tarong. Di.
Ano, papunta pa lang. Naligo kasi na. Kailan ba?
Number 9. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 9 for 3. No good. River by Dalisa. Pass to Biaron for 3. No good again. River by to Bill. Looking for Apelido. Pass to Busto, starting the play. 10 seconds to shoot. 9 seconds to shoot. Number 3. Pass to Bill, Nago, terima Biaron. Pass number 9, De Los Santos nagawa mo dala. De Los Santos using the ball, that's good.
Also go ng tao.
36 to 35.
Number 9, Gusto. Dribble the ball, starting the play. Score 20-16 in favor of Team Isayan. Apelido, pass number 9 for 3. That's good. 3 points by jersey number 9. De Los Santos attacks. Layup, that's good. Down play by jersey number 9. Foul on jersey number 22.
Tarong nga lan. Tarong nga.
Time remaining. 57 seconds. Number 16, pass to number 9. Number 9, nagmamadali. Rock lane violation by jersey number 9. Gusto. Dribble the ball, starting the play. Dribble by Biaron. Dribble by De Los Santos, pass to Gusto, looking for the fast break play by Gusto. Offensive foul by jersey number 9. Number 9. Pass to Dalisa. Back to number 9. Biaron. Number 3 Dalisa. Pass to Carana. Back to De Los Santos. Pass to number 29. 14. Good. Handy out the ball. Number 10, pass to number 9. Number 9, dribbling the ball, starting to play with number 9. Ten seconds to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot. Complete. Block by Vignon. Pass to Biaron. Pass to number 29. Back to Biaron. Pass 10 seconds to shoot. Vignon jumper. That's good. Sarap kay Sarene. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 9 for 3. Not good. Remember number 7 using the power of the taga. Remember Biaron. Pass from Biaron. Lumaya, that's good. Number 9. Pass to Biaron. 10 seconds to shoot. Biaron. Sumait step layup short. Remember De Los Santos. Foul. Ball jersey number 16. Number 57, pass to Biaron. Remember De Los Santos. Jumper, not good. Remember Bautista. Still with Biaron. Pass to De Los Santos. Pass to Carrama. Back to De Los Santos. Pass to number 29. Long to not good. Number 3. Justin Conley. Number 3. Cross. Number 3. Well cross to the inside. Layup. That's good. And on play, Bakers. Number 9. De Los Santos. Pass to Biaron. 1-3. Nago. Remember Bautista. Pass to Complete. 10 seconds to shoot. Justin Conley. Foul. Jersey number 29. Let first throw Nago. Sul Bagaraman pahipat. Number 27, De Los Santos. Pass to number 29. Back to De Jong. That's good. De Los Santos pass to Bautista, masyado kalagas, remember Karamat looking for the pass from Karamat. Pass to number 29, long 2, Nagod, remember Biaron, pass to the side. That's good. Sapatau, Justin Brownlee. That's good again.
Asyik ke tu?
Jay, score. He scored 35-27 in favor of Team USA. Kerabat Jafar Lagu yang menemukan Barista Pasir Santos Sindra Mele Bela Sandra Semai Step Leonea Tasku Number 29 Pasir Kerabat Bukan tres Jasa terserah Biaron Double for pushing foul.
29-35.
Number 16, pass to Bufete. Bufete, that's good. Number 29, Lazu, that's good, man. Break. Reboot the ball. Sharing the play by jersey number 8. Pass to Bufete. Justin Brownlee. Floater, foul, ball on jersey number 6. De Jong. That's your third personal foul, jersey number 6. Third na po, tatlo na po. Ay, pushing foul, 3 minutes, 1 second. Verse 27-31. Second attempt, back from the landing. That's good again. 33-27. Number 27, De Los Santos. Here with the ball, center of the play. Pass to Carama. Back to De Los Santos. Pass to number 29. Short, rebound by number 8. Number 8. Still by number 29. Pass to Carama. Carama. Side step. Pass to De Jong. Another again. Biaron. That's good. De Los Santos. Substitution. 2 minutes, 20 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Biaron, country. Short. Rio Medina. De Jong, pass to Biaron. Pass to De Los Santos. De Los Santos, pass to number 29. Side step, layup, double. Biaron pass to De Los Santos. De Los Santos. Looking for the pass from play for 3. Nugget. Rio complete. Suatu game batay. Complete for 3. That's good. 3 points. Pass to Filipino. Pass to De Los Santos. Back to Busto. Pass 10 seconds to shoot. Lock to Lagut. Rebound by Biaron. Pass to Filipino. 40. Short. Rebound by Filipino. 7 on the line. County on the ball. Time remaining. 1 minute and 12 seconds.
Bukan tampul.
Break. You took the ball, starting the play by Jackson White. Pass to Dalisay. Dalisay attacks. Floater, that's good. 55 seconds. Busto. You took the ball, starting the play. Busto, this is Carter. Pass to Filipino, back to Busto. 10 seconds to the press. 21 seconds. Official score 39-38. Selangkong kelamangan ng Team SN. 25 seconds. Number 9. 20 seconds. Starting the play by jersey number 9. 10 seconds to shoot. Attack. Layup. Foul on jersey number 22. 23 seconds. 14 seconds to shoot. De Los Santos. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Geron for 3. Another 3 Busto. 5 seconds. De Los Santos. Pass to Soriano. Pass to Filido.
Squatter natin. Yes.
Pass to De Los Santos. Attack, jumper, short. And say ball. Still by De Los Santos. Foul for jersey number 22. That is their third personal foul. Penalty kagum sa third quarter. Number 9. Pass to Garon. Garon discarded. Garon trying to shoot. No good. Terima De Los Santos. De Los Santos. Pass to number 22. Come on, that's number 9. Apelido jumper no good. Follow Sudara. Tekan Rioman Justin Brownlee. Deflected. Pass to the Santos. Losing the ball. Number 9. And Ryan ball. Soriano, pass to Busto. Still by Justin Brownlee. Pass to Lisa. That's good. Pass Murray. Aliante. Number 9. Number 9. Start the play. Busto. Pass to De Los Santos. Pass to Filido. Pass to Garon. Pass to De Los Santos. Back to Busto for 3. That's good. 3 points by jersey number 9. De Los Santos. De Los Santos. As number 9. Number 9, sidestep, pass the ball, Bautista, Nagel, dribble by number 22, Soriano. Still by number 9, De Los Santos, using the ball. Oh, number 9, already, Busto. Dribble the ball, side the way. De Los Santos, 10 seconds to shoot. Number 9, pass to Filido. Apelido using the ball. No good again. De Los Santos, wala pa rin. Arriba by De Los Santos. Number 9. Looking for the pass replay by De Los Santos. De Los Santos attacks. Jumper. No good. Arriba by Apelido. Apelido is still. Number 22. Layup. No good. Arriba by Complete. Justin Brownlee. Attacks. Layup. Wala pa rin. Arriba by Garon. Pass to Busto. Busto nagmamatay. Busto. Pass to Apelido. Using the ball. No good. Arriba by number 22. Foul. Jersey number 16. Time out.
Nama magawan soalnya.
Manila.
Buaya.
Forty-three, 42 in favor of KSIN. Number 16. 10 seconds to shoot. Biaron, pass to Delisay. Delisay, pass to Biaron. Poco con la 3. Another. Malas. Number 9. Pass to Los Santos. Pass to Soriano. Long two, that's good. Complete. Foul. Call on jersey number 13, number 4. Jersey number 4. Time remaining 5 minutes and 1 second. 2 shots on jersey number 3. Out of shooting po tayo. Number 3. First attempt. Silva. Second attempt. Sample naman. Rico play Biaron. Pass to Los Santos. Los Santos. Pass to number 9. Moving the ball, circle play. Pass to Los Santos. 10 seconds to shoot. Biaron. Foul, call on jersey number 9. Foul, call on jersey number 9. Pushing foul. Number 4, that's you. Score 46-42. Second attempt, no good. Rebound by in favor of Silver Sayer. Number 9, pass to Delisay. Foul, call on jersey number 27. Substitution. Baiti. Number 9, Busto. Attacks. Pass to Los Santos. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to Carrara. Last two level. 3 on number 9, Los Santos. Los Santos looking for the fast play. Los Santos. Pass to Delisay. Pass to Rubeta. Poco con la 3. Jersey number 9, that's your second personal foul. Take it is 47 seconds. Score 46-47 in favor of Kylie Olsen. Number 4. Let's go. All the ball. Shout out kay Yeye TV. Delisay, pass to Complete.
Say.
Number 9, Busto, pass to the Santos. Bobo con la press. Number 3, Karama. Stepping on the line. Tiara. Still with the Santos. Pass to Busto. Busto, looking for the pass for David Busto. Karama, using the ball. That's cute. Score 50-49 in favor of Team SIN. Time remaining 2 minutes and 49 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Completed. 5 seconds to shoot. Jumper.
Time.
2 minutes 28 seconds. Number 9, driven the ball by jersey number 9, starting the play. Pass to number 27, pass to Karama. Long 2, that's good. Talo na po ang kalamangan ng Team SIN. Number 9, De Los Santos. Starting the play. 10 seconds to Santos. 5 seconds to shoot. De Los Santos for 3. Nagio, dribbling Piaran. Piaran pass to Busto. Last 1 minute and 45 seconds. 1 minute and 44 seconds. Busto. Starting the play. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to De Los Santos. De Los Santos jumper. Remember Piaran. Piaran starting the play. Completed for 3. That's good. 3 points on jersey. Number 3. 1 minute and 15 seconds. Score all 52. Number 9, Busto. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to Piaran. 3 seconds. Violation. Ball on jersey number 6. Last 15 seconds. Time out. Cagliarese. Last 59 seconds. De Los Santos. Starting the play. 10 seconds to shoot. 25 seconds. De Los Santos. Buka bola press bola. Remove Piaran. Foul bola jersey number 3. No puni. Penalty. Schedule for tomorrow, 6 p.m. Team Bukit versus Team Gibbs. 30 seconds. De Los Santos. Starting the play by De Los Santos. 10 seconds to shoot. Santos. Cross, De Los Santos. Rio Medion. Last 10 seconds. Medion. Last 7 seconds. Last 7 seconds. 10. Tinggi saya. 7.
Bos itu. Boknya tuh mau selubur itu. Ayo lapor. Sau berapa?
Bal-bal overtime.
Ini berapa? Karena lo kami 500 per kelompok.
Ya, Nago, terima kasih Karamat. Pas De Los Santos. Pas to Busto. Busto. Start the play. Pas number 29. Popola Rock. Nago, terima kasih De Los Santos lakukan. Nagpapatilas De Los Santos. De Los Santos, atake supaya step lumay atas ke.
Parubun na mo. Saranyo! Katawan! Iwasan nyo! Saranyo din ako na maka.
Visual score 55-54 in favor of Team SIN. Busto, Lea Nago, terima kasih Poblete. Poblete. Still number 29. Busto, pass number 29, still by De Los Santos. De Los Santos, looking for the fast break play by De Los Santos. Pass Talisay, target lang.
Itu. Lamang.
Karamat langsung Nago, terima kasih Poblete. 80, Justin Rowley. Still by number 29, Nago, number 16. Pass to De Los Santos, De Los Santos. De Los Santos, foul on jersey number 9. Penalty. Time remaining 2 minutes and 15 seconds.
Lagi lah.
Official score 55-57 in favor of Team Alliance. Karamat. Pass to De Los Santos. De Los Santos start the play. Pass to number 29, langsung again. That's good. All 57. Last 2 minutes. De Los Santos. Pass to Biaron. Last 50 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Steve, number 29. Follow Thirsty, number 16. That is your second personal foul. All remaining. Last 47 seconds.
Shot.
59-57 in favor of Team SIN. First attack, that's good.
Usap. Start usap.
No, shot ko siya isa rin.
Kima, sumong pelwari mana sa pero. Diba?
Good. Number 16. Here's the ball, Piara. Sarang kasih. Piara. Yeah, 75 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Block by Thirsty, number 4. 9 seconds to shoot. Let's try it. 10 to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Complete. Fake. Complete. Spin. Step number 29. Pass to Marabal. Pass to Page. Raymond Bautista. Last 18 seconds. Piara Petri. Nugget. Right down. That's number 4. Last 10 seconds. Official score 61-57 in favor of Team SIN. Substitution. Last 10 seconds. Nanalo ang team SIN ng 5 points.